Raise your hand if you ever been told just work hard and you will make some money. That's the only way you can make money. It's what our parents believe and what their parents believe. But let's be real in 2026. That's not the whole story anymore. What if you could actually make your laziness a superpower? Sounds crazy, right? AI is flipping the script, and I am about to show you the absolute laziest ways to make money using AI. And the second way is absolutely booming. Let's dive in. The idea is to create engaging videos using stock footage, animations, and with AI generated videos with an AI generated voiceover. Here, AI is your entire production team. You can use AI to write the script, generate the video, generate the voice, and even help you edit the video faster. For tools, use ChatGPT for script, 11 Labs for ultra realistic voiceovers, and CapCut or any editing software for editing. Kicking off our number 3 is AI thumbnail designing. On a platform like YouTube, the thumbnail is everything. It's the first thing people see. Big creators pay hundreds of dollars for a single click-worthy thumbnail, but now you can offer that same service using AI. You don't need Photoshop. AI image generators can create stunning custom backgrounds and elements in seconds. And number 2, AI website builder. Every local business, from the plumber down the street to the new bakery in the town, needs a website. But they are terrified of the cost and the technical hassle. You can step in and be their hero. AI website builders now allow you to create professional, good-looking sites in minutes, not days. You just describe what you want and the AI builds the layout, writes the copy, and even images. And finally, the number 1 is AI chatbot for small business. This is, without a doubt, the biggest opportunity every single small business owners needed. They are getting the same questions in 100 times a day. You can build them a custom AI chatbot for their website that can answer questions instantly. This improves customer service and frees up the business owner to focus on making money. Then you have a question: how to find the business owners? In Instagram, we can get many business running pages. See their website have chatbot or not. If they don't, you have a chance. Just ask them, are you interested for this? Like that. Wait. You manage to build an income that's from your job or business or any kind of source. And your ambition is to become rich. You need financial knowledge. Without this, you will never achieve your dream. Here, this channel will provide you the knowledge, how money works, how to invest, how to manage, literally everything. And I'm not going to tell you to subscribe. Yes, I'm not going to tell you to subscribe because I want people who truly have the ambition to become rich. This channel isn't for everyone. It's for the one who hunger to be rich.